This next one is by Ricardo. Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, my name is Dimma. I'm on my way to the mall. I want to go and buy a few things, guys. The road that I'm on right now is very, very bumpy. There are a lot of like, what are those things that speed bumps? Yeah, there are a lot of speed bumps. I realized recently that most of the Afrobeat songs that I've been listening to, that they're all very like chill songs. Like they're not like the type of songs that I've normally actually gravitate towards. When it comes to Afrobeats, like I take the beats in Afrobeats seriously. Like I want it to be very upbeat. I want it to be something that I can dance to. But a lot of the songs recently, like that I found that I love, they're very, very, like they're not too slow, but they're like, you know, slow wine songs. I'm almost at the mall, so I'm going to pack soon and just share the songs with you guys. Like I just want to go to the pharmacy, to be very honest, and get a few fangs. So I've secured packing. I'm wearing my giraffe shirt, by the way, if you guys remember this giraffe shirt from my Kenya vlog. And this is the hair that I was telling you guys about in my previous video, the one that Chrissy gave me. I'm going to try to find a link. I'm going to ask her for a link because she has a website, and see if I can put the link for this particular unit in the description box, so please check there. Chrissy is amazing when it comes to wigs, guys. I did not glue this down. It looks like a frontal, like I don't know. I am so happy, but I think that my forehead looks quite wide. That's okay. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to move closer and I'm going to jump right into it. So the first song that I have in my playlist is Bad Influence by Umeh. This is a new artist as far as I'm concerned. Maybe he's been around for a very long time, but I actually don't know him like that. I love this song. This was a song that I was dancing to in my birthday vlog. If you've not seen that vlog, I am going to have it linked in the description box. Go watch it, okay? Guys, I'm actually worried about this video. I feel like no matter what I do, it's probably still going to be flagged for copyright, you know? What kind of noise is that? YouTube doesn't play like that. Like even when the song is playing in the background, like it's not something you added to the video, they will still flag you. So let us pray for this video.
Now I know you lied. Now I know the doctor said I bust my liver.
The next one, I know that we all know this one is why am I hurting myself?
First let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? Hey, I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I pray for you.
In my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart is a beat like you can. Cause now you are true, so
I am very your face.
Guys, it's about to rain. It's crazy because it's just like 4 p.m. and it looks like it's 12 midnight or something, but we're still going to do this video regardless. What does Ayofemi mean? I think Femi means love. I don't know, love. I know that there's, guys, please let me know. You see, artists that make me wish I could understand Yoruba: Simi, Adekunle Gold, Wizkid, especially these top three. These make me wish that I could understand Yoruba so bad. So the next one, there was a time that I was playing this and Duduke like every day. This is by Ladipo, and I think it's Po and not Po. Or is it Po? I think it's Ladipo because I don't know how he pronounced his name. I know that it's normally like Ladipo or something and Simi, but I don't know if his stage name is like Ladipo or is it Ladipo. Someone help me.
I really want to tell you how my day went. Really want to spend the weekend.
I for sure you this thing I'm feeling.
Oh yeah, but I don't really know you that well.
I really wanna kiss you in the face, baby.
And maybe every other place, baby.
You be like, say I don't remember,
Say I don't really know you that well. Hey, hey. We can go there if you want. I think I love you, but I don't really know you that well. We can go.
My phone is ringing, hold on. Hello?
Could you be my controller? See me see this parola. I just wanna come home to you. Spend every night telling bad jokes to you.
Okay, so this next one is by Adekunle. You know Adekunle Gold? Kunle Gold. AJ baby, it's your baby. AJ baby now has a baby, by the way.
Yeah, you make me loco. You play me like a lotto. All you want is my dodo. I even buy you moto. Oh no, oh no. You say you want a lolo, but why you leave me go? See now I am solo. Oh no, we could have been something different. You say you want money, baby. Oh. We could be loving my honey, kissing and cuddling, life in Miami. Oh. You could have been something different. Oh. You say no money, no honey. Oh.
So this one, I don't know why this song just kind of gives me like maybe 60s, 70s vibe. I don't even know if that is accurate. But there's something about this song that just makes me think of the past for some weird ass reason. Let's play it. And this is Away by Oxlade. Somebody help me with the name of this boy because I don't know his name, okay? It started raining, if you guys can hear that. I'm just going to carry on, okay? Because it's feeling like there's too much that is against me doing this video. The next song is by Joe Boy. We all know Joe Boy. Joe Boy is one of the artists that we all enjoy listening to. I think late last year and early this year, he was one of the few artists that actually gave me songs for Dirty December, which feels like a million years ago. This particular song is called Call. He has an entire album, but this is called Call. Joe Boy Pond. Hey.
Yeah. Confuse me. Tell me why you they confuse me, oh baby. Your body too attractive, and the way I fall for you, they be like magic. Oh no, the way you did me, I go day, and I no go fit to come another day. But I go to call you my baby. Why you say that you in my mind? Say you no be option, no be lie. Oh yeah, make you fly away, make you run away.
Call on me. I know say I be pull up on. This next one is by CK. Guys, a lot of these artists are actually like to me they're kind of new because I don't know them like that, but then these songs are so good. So this one is by CK and it's called Love Nwantinte. Let me just make sure that my door is locked because I don't want stories that touch.
My baby, my Valentine. You know you do make you with temperature do. If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving me, I am so obsessed. I want to chop your love. Never did it make any feel love. When I make us feel love. Yeah, my love one thing. You make it bad man feel
is by a guy called Juju. Guys, it's raining so bad. I hope that you guys can still hear me. Okay, so this next song is by Buju, who, like, this is also my first time like playing his songs like this, and this is Lenu and it's him and Burna Boy on this track. So let's do this. Is by it's actually getting better. It's still raining, but then it's not as dark as it was before. So this next one is by Mayor Kun and it's called Of Lagos. Of Lagos. One is from the album that I shared with you guys like early this year. Funny thing, I just remember that particular video I was wearing this shirt, and I hope you guys can hear me. I'm really worried. This rain is so heavy. But then this is Mad by SARS and World. This was like my anthem December. I even went to his concert. Like, I even told you guys to go download this album. That's how much I loved it. So let me play it. The next one, okay, everybody, I feel like a lot of non-Nigerians probably know this one. This is by Fowls. It's called Bop Daddy, and a lot of us use it for the Don't Rush challenge. Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Daddy, check. What? Yeah, comment tu t'appelles? J'ai eu des fiers, et le magie. Daddy go spend, yeah, it's swag and a rare. Au school la paix. My lower tempted, yo. Say, what's my name? Bob Daddy. Big tunes, got the club banging. Less man, more bodies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy.
This one is by Fireboy, Joe Boy. Did I call him Joey Boy? I hope I did not call him Joey Boy, but Joe Boy and Fireboy were the two boys of December. Okay, this is my jam. It's called Scatter. It's called Scatter.
Tell me, are you ready?
This next one is by Ricardo. That was thunder. This next one is by Ricardo Banks and it is Raw Rap.
Baby, this a she talk. If you agree, mama lato. Party 2 at the party 1. Party 2 like the pan 1. I go be to change your catwalk and change your life joy. Every day not to enjoy. Like a laptop.
The last song on my list is by DRB Lasgidi and it's called Trouble. And to be very honest, I love this song because of Thames. Okay, she's the one doing the chorus, and guys, her voice is all I hear when I think about this song.
Turn up the volume.
I love this song so much. The way it flows reminds me a lot of South African house, and I think that that's the reason why I love it so much.
Have you been looking for me? Looking for something you can't find. How long do you think it could last? Get at me, baby. Come at me, baby. You try to hide, but you can't. Sure, you don't see this type of life. How long do you think it could last? Get at me, baby. I'm trouble making trouble. Trouble is what excites me. No one can do it like me. Trouble is making trouble. I'm trouble making trouble. Trouble is what excites me. No one can do it like me. Trouble is making trouble.
Okay guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to hopefully leave a link to the playlist. I don't know if I can share it. It's Apple Music, but if I can share it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. And guys, please share your playlists with me if you have any nice ones, or there are songs that you think I need to hear or get on. Please let me know. And before I go, if you watched my mukbang video last Sunday and you left a comment which automatically qualified you for the Go Money giveaway, please look at the next screen. Congratulations, you are the winner of 10,000 naira. I am going to reply your comment and ask you to reply with an email address. If your name is on this screen, congratulations again. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to put my mask on now because you know, you have to do that. I've been in the car here chilling since. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please don't forget to share your own playlist with me. If you have one that you think I need to get into, share with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.